Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft microfiber cloth, and a small vacuum with a brush attachment. Make sure you have a clean workspace ready for this process. First, unplug your Dyson AM07 from the power source. Safety is paramount when handling any electrical appliance. Once unplugged, remove the outer casing by locating the screws at the base of the fan. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew these. Keep them in a safe place, you'll need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the outer casing away from the fan. You might notice some dust accumulation inside. This is normal, but it's best to clean it out to ensure optimal airflow. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the inside surfaces, and if there's a significant amount of dust, the small vacuum with a brush attachment will help remove it effectively. Next, let's inspect the fan blades. These can gather dust and dirt, affecting performance. If you see any buildup, carefully wipe the blades with your microfiber cloth. If your fan is particularly dirty, you might consider disassembling the fan blades for a deeper clean. To do this, locate the screws that secure the blades in place, and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the blades are clean, reassemble them by reversing the steps you took to remove them. Make sure the screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling noise during operation. After cleaning the blades, let's focus on the base of the fan. Dust can accumulate here as well, so use your microfiber cloth to wipe it down thoroughly. Pay special attention to any vents or grills, as these can restrict airflow if blocked. Now that the internal components are clean, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the outer casing with the base, ensuring that all tabs fit snugly. Replace the screws you initially removed, securing the casing tightly. If you're feeling unsure about any part of this process or need assistance, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without any hassle. No calls, no travel necessary. Once the fan is fully reassembled, plug it back in and turn it on to check its performance. Listen for any unusual sounds, which could indicate that something wasn't reassembled correctly. If everything sounds good, enjoy your freshly cleaned Dyson AM07. Lastly, if you ever feel the need for a more thorough cleaning or repair, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring that you know what to expect before any work is done. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.